Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching guys how to connect or integrate your Shopify store with your Zoho account or Zoho CRM platform. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and by doing so, you're able to transfer or import over your data or database from Zoho CRM over to your Shopify store. So these pertain to the info regarding the users, as well as their contact info, email addresses, contact info. Oh, I think I already said that, as well as the types of engagements that they've had with your store or Zoho platform prior. So to do so, you would first want to go to the Shopify App Store. And there are a couple ways to get there, but the easiest way is by clicking on the apps drop down right here and selecting app and sales channel settings. So it'll redirect you to this page right here, pulling up all the compatible apps with your Shopify store. So from here, click on Shopify App Store, and it'll actually open a new tab showing you all the compatible apps that you can integrate with your store. So from here, if you don't see Zoho right away, you would want to type Zoho in the search bar. When you hit enter, you'll see that there's an option that says Zoho Sync by CRM Perks. So this is the one that you would want to opt for, as the others are have different uses or applications for your online store. So we're going to click on this, Zoho Sync by CRM Perks, and click on install. And I should say that this isn't a free tool that you can add to your store. So it goes without saying that paid plans are going to come with more perks and features, but from here you basically just want to click on install and let Shopify and Zoho work their magic so they can integrate with one another. So from here, you'd want to log in your Zoho account, and what's going to happen is it's actually going to pull up a database of all of the accounts or users that are registered to your Zoho account. So you can see here that here's what the dashboard looks like. And what's going to happen is you can carry over that data over to your Shopify. And yeah, that's honestly it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.